Hi folks, Mark here at U Refill Toner, and we've got a little bit of extra help for you here on changing the chip for the Samsung CLP 360 and related machines, which necessitated the invention of a melting blade, we've called it, which you can see in the shot here. Now, it was quite difficult to show in the printed instructions, that's why we've made a video of it for you. If you haven't bought the Samsung CLP 360 yet, our advice would be don't. There are some better options. You can see them on our website if you go to urefilltoner.co.uk and click on printer reviews. As far as getting more toner into it goes, this cartridge is a melt and pour, which historians of the toner refill might want to take note, was invented by me and my old dad in 1996 as a response to the HP 5L cartridge. And if anyone can get that onto Wikipedia, by the way, we would be much obliged. Of course, you don't have to use the melting blade for this. You do get sort of an electronic apple corer to do this part of it. So back to the chip, and here's our melting blade poised for action. We've let that heat up for about 6 minutes, but because of health and safety legislation, we kept it away from things that burn easily, like our barbecue lighters, effigies of the mother-in-law, that kind of thing. And I'm just going to shut up for a bit so you can watch how my guy Steve did this. Now, we couldn't get Enrique Morricone, so hit it, guys! Okay guys, take 5, well done, Glastonbury next year. Now, that's pretty much all she wrote as far as changing the chip goes. As you can see there, we've got the compatible chip in, and although it looks like it could just fall out, if you put the cartridge back in the machine just as it is there, that will be okay. Before we took our products for the Samsung CLP 360 to the marketplace, we did this refill 12 times in the lab, each time running the cartridge out in the machine to check that it was working okay. We did it 4 times just to check that you could use the technique that we're suggesting here on the starter cartridges. That's the different cartridges that arrive just with a new machine. And we distilled all that experience into this starter kit. You can see here we've got some very detailed information about when to do the refill so that you don't start off on the wrong foot. There's the primary melting tool, which you use to make a hole in the cartridge just so you can get more toner back into it because there's no plug on this cartridge. The melting blade, well, you know all about that. And also you're going to see in a moment we've got the compatible chip, which you saw being changed earlier in the video. With all these things in the kit, it's not the cheapest kit we've ever produced, and that's one of the reasons why we don't recommend the Samsung CLP 360 particularly as a refill friendly machine, although of course that information's not all that useful if you've already bought the machine. Now, having seen this video, the more inventive of you can probably get away without buying this starter kit, and you're quite welcome to do so. But it's there if you need it, and if it worked 12 times for us, we figure it'll work for you too. Now if you do decide to invest in this, and it is a bit of clobber, we realise that, then all you actually need to refill each individual cartridge thereafter is the bottle of toner and the compatible chip, otherwise known on our website as the BOCHIP. Well, that's just about it from me. Hope this has been helpful. I've been Mark at You Refill Toner. Keep refilling in the free world.